Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at the Geneva International Motor Show taking a look at the new DACIA Sandero Stepway. And I say new because this is the 2024 model with the upgraded tech. So let's start here on the front. Of course, you do know the new logo and the new grille. And there's no more radar, as you can see. So the camera is replacing it, and you can see it over there. So it will be used for various driver assist and safety systems. And the car has improved in the terms of safety and driver assist systems as well. You can also see the new color that is available here on this trim, and then the new wheels as well. They do look very nice indeed, and I believe that these are the covers, which look phenomenal actually for the covers. Let's see the dimension of the tires: 205/60 R16, and then you have the sticker in here on this trim. And the sticker actually has the coordinates, and this is for the Transfăgara Road in Romania. So very cool detail. Also the safety stickers, the QR code is here, that's also new. Now let me show you the specifications of this model. So this is the Expression trim. Then we have the TCE 90 petrol engine with CVT transmission. Here is the full spec list. You can pause the video to see also the options that we have. Beige Safari is the name of this gorgeous color, which is the new color that is available for the Sandero Stepway. And then if we move on here, you can see the rear of the car with the well-known taillights and the DACIA lettering. Let me show you from different angle. There we go. So share your thoughts with me. How do you like the car? And now I will go inside and show you the interior, which also has some changes. So without further ado, let's jump on board. There we go. And well, let's see it from driver's perspective. But before that, here of course the large amount of space for various things divided into two sections. You have the buttons here for the windows and the mirrors, Stepway lettering on the floor mat. These are the seats, and now let me show you the view from driver's perspective. So here it is, the view from driver's perspective. The steering wheel with the DACIA lettering, then the analog dials in front of us and the screen in the middle. This is new, so you have the switch here, and then press again for My Safety, and now you selected the personal safety settings. So basically what you can do is you can personalize the safety systems, and then by a press of a button you can have those settings turned on. Now here you can also spot the new USB-C port, and then of course the standard switches for the AC, which is always nice to see, USB port, and the beautiful air vents. This is the well-known infotainment system, and yeah, this is how it looks. And you have the settings over here. You can do the settings for the display, devices, audio, and the system settings. And here are the vehicle settings. So here you see the safety and driver assist systems. As you can see, this car is really packed with technology. And here you can also have different sound type of the indicators. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite. And well, I'm not gonna go through all the details, but yeah, it is the well-known system, and it's easy to use it. Here you can see the gear selector for the CVT transmission, and this particular model is equipped with the sunroof as well. So there we go, press it and it opens, and also you can close it with the button as well. And then actually this section you close with your hand. And yeah, well, tell me in your comments, how do you like this interior layout? These are the lights, and there we go, sun visors. And we are ready to check out the rear bench. And I am sitting at the back now. This is the USB-C port, and then also you have the 12-volt power supply, storage area, and the view on the front. Right guys, those were the first details of the new DACIA Sandero Stepway upgraded model for 2024. Tell me in the comments how do you like it, and do subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye bye.